Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This reading is for Scorpio from 6th of July to 12th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present, and your immediate future. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, Scorpions, so this is your energy this week, the Devil. I'm getting this feeling that maybe right now your focus is on materialistic things. You have some kind of a force, you have a push, or it is something in your mind that you want to achieve something which is more of a materialistic thing, maybe monetary, or you want to buy something, or you want to invest somewhere, or something which is more of a materialistic thing. So let's look into your past. The past cards are Knight of Pentacles reversed, Page of Cups, and King of Swords. Yeah, so as you can see here, the Sword card and the Pentacle card has come reversed. So in your past also, I believe that you have worked very very hard. Maybe there was something new that you had started and you were happy about it, you're very very enthusiastic about it, but unfortunately it did not work as how much you might have thought it to be, like giving you results. It did not give results in that way. So you might have lost some money in that. There was a lot of hard work. You tried everything to get your work done, but it did not happen. So let's see your present energies. Before going to the present energies, I would request you people to kindly subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Okay, so your present energies are Two of Pentacles reverse, the Sun, and the Moon card reverse. Yeah, so your present is also showing me the same thing, Scorpions, that try not to go after this materialistic thing right now, because even in the past the Pentacles card was reversed, even in the present the Pentacles card is reversed. So this is not giving you anything, this is not taking you anywhere, rather it might create lot of trouble at your home, between your family members, as maybe your family people are not happy with the attitude you have right now about the money or materialistic attitude which you have right now. So if you wait for some time or change your attitude, I'm sure your family life is definitely going to be better. And as they say that if you have positivity around you, your family is happy. So automatically the you will start manifesting your materialistic things as well. You will start getting positive results from the other things as well. Yeah, so okay, now here comes the future cards. It is the Page of Pentacles reversed, the High Priestess, and Nine of Wands. Yeah, see again, all your Pentacles cards are reversed in this reading. So don't go for this materialistic things right now. This is what the cards are suggesting me again and again, and this is what the message is coming to my head again and again. Don't just rush for all the materialistic things in your life. Change your attitude. Your family needs you. Even in the near future, it shows the same thing. If you will have the same attitude, you are not going to get what you want. But if you change your attitude, then definitely something good is going to happen. You will be more grounded, you will have very very high intuitions, and you will be able to see things what you're not able to see right now, because your perception is very very limited right now. So if you will change your attitude, family is happy, you are happy. So definitely in near future you are going to see things in a different manner, and that is obviously going to remove all the insecurities that you have right now. because you're not getting the materialistic things and everything. So try not to go after the money or materialistic things. There's no hurry, you can wait. Your health, your family is more important right now. So yeah, uh, cards are suggesting that you need to change your attitude a little bit. That was about it. If you have any queries, you can write in the comment box, and for the personalized reading, you can see the description box. So good luck, Scorpio.